Hello everyone, this is Taslima. Today I want to talk about something very important. Why do beginners lose money in Google Ads? Google Ads is not a scam, but many beginners treat it like gambling. And that is where the problem starts. Mistake number one, no clear goal. Most beginners start ads without a clear goal. They shows traffic, but they actually want leads. They don't define what is a conversion, what action matters, what result they want. Without a clear goal, Google does not know what to optimize for. Mistake number two, bad structure. Many beginners put all service, all keyword, all ad inside one campaign. That creates low relevance, low quality score, high CPC, waste budget, structure control, performance. Mistake number three, wrong keywords. They use broad keywords like plumbing, SBLC, repair, but these are too general. Instead, they should focus on emergency plumbing near me, commercial SBSC repair, Florida. Intent matters more than volume. Mistake number four, no conversion tracking. This is biggest mistake. Many beginners run ads but don't track calls from submission, booking. If you don't track result, you cannot optimize. It's like driving blind. Mistake 5, no optimization. Google Ads is not set and forget. Beginners launch campaign and never check. Search term, negative keyword, CTR, conversion rate. Ads need monitoring. What beginners should do instead? Before running ads, define a clear goal, build clean structure, use high intent keywords, install conversion tracking, optimize weekly, Google Ads reward structure and passion. Simple truth, beginners don't lose money because Google Ads does not work. They lose money because they don't understand the system. Once you understand structure and data, performance become productive. If you are new to Google Ads, don't rush. Learn the foundation first. That will save your budget. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.